Today, we're building a custom voice of reason character, placing them in a health challenge, and using AI to make them burst off the page. By the end of this project, you will have 3 concrete deliverables: a 16 digital comic poster, a 5-second AI animated video, and a finalized submission package. Before we start building, open your preferred digital design software. Have your class notes on alcohol prevention pulled up, as we need that data for the dialogue. Having your workspace set up and your facts organized now will keep the creative process focused. You'll move smoothly from drafting to animating, ensuring you are fully prepared for Friday's class presentation. Step 1 is designing your avatar, representing wise decision-making. Format it as a bold, simple, highly expressive digital sticker. Moving to Step 2, outline a 6-panel poster establishing a short story where a teenager faces a direct health-related pressure. This class prompt provides a perfect starting point. The text outlines a scenario where a teen is bored at a friend's house and is suddenly offered liquor. This is exactly the type of realistic conflict your comic needs to depict. This slide details specific refusal skills your main character can use. Notice the advice here. A simple "no thanks" works, and no further explanation is necessary to reject the offer. This document outlines internal strategies. Before your character reacts to the peer pressure, show them pausing. Taking a few moments to think about the consequences is a crucial part of the decision-making process. Once your 6 panels are drawn, you must duplicate the file. Save one version as your clean, final story, and keep the second copy designated strictly for editing in the next step. Grounding a relatable scenario in proven refusal techniques creates a realistic foundation for the protagonist before the voice of reason even appears. Now for Step 3. Drop your voice of reason sticker directly into your duplicated editing poster. Position the character carefully within the scene. Place them over a shoulder or in the foreground, somewhere they naturally appear to guide or warn the protagonist right at the moment of decision. This is a strict educational requirement. Your voice of reason character must deliver a factual, scientific piece of evidence from class to stop the behavior. For example, this graphic shows a severe risk factor. Children who begin drinking at age 13 have a staggering 45% chance of becoming alcohol dependent. This is exactly the kind of hard data your character should cite. Or you could use structural evidence. This call-out box notes that the hippocampus can actually be up to 10% smaller in underage drinkers compared to healthy adolescent brains. This brain diagram shows us exactly why that matters. The hippocampus is the control center for memory and learning. Damaging it during development is a highly persuasive argument for your character to use. Anchoring the fictional comic with hard neurological evidence transforms it from a simple drawing into a scientifically persuasive public health message. Step 4 is bringing it all to life. Take your finalized editing poster and upload it into your chosen AI animation tool. Notice the output constraint here is exact. The AI must generate a strict 5-second clip featuring a written or spoken statement directly from your character. When you write your prompt for the AI, instruct it to use a powerful, positive, and heavily health-focused tone. The voice should project confidence. Once the generation is complete and you are satisfied with the result, finalize the export and download the MP4 video file directly to your computer. Moving to Step 5, let's take inventory. First, your clean 6-scene poster, and second, your 5-second AI animation. You must submit these files in 2 distinct places to receive credit. Upload both files to the Canvas assignment portal and then post them again to the class Padlet. Pay close attention to the Padlet submission. The most common point of failure is formatting the title. You must include the full, exact names of every group member in the subject line. Executing this precise export and dual submission protocol ensures the group receives full credit and is technically prepared for the final showcase. You've successfully merged visual art, AI animation, and health science to create a compelling message. Watch how all those pieces come together on the gallery wall. The final step takes place on Friday. We will open the class Padlet, and your group will stand up and present your digital poster and animation live. You will need to hit 3 specific talking points. Walk us through the health challenge you selected. Explain the internal decision-making process of the teenager, and break down exactly how your voice of reason character intervened. Mastering this project equips you with both modern digital storytelling skills and the real-world internal dialogue needed to confidently navigate peer pressure.